Hello everyone, I'm here in Cayo Coco, Cuba. I'm here at Memories Flamenco all-inclusive resort, and I am at one of the rooms, my room, so I'm going to show you around. This is my view. I'm on the 3rd floor, so you got a bench or whatever you call it, love seat, king size bed, you got a TV, you got a trash can, you got a coffee maker. That's my stuff right there. Place to put your suitcase. A divider. I don't know what that is. Maybe from the bathroom. You got some side tables here. That side too with the telephone. Very nice. You got. See here. You got your bathroom. One sink. There you go, one sink. Okay, so now you got your closet. Let me see how much room you got here. A ton of that's one half of the closet. Let me go to the next half. So closet space. You got a safe. That. You got a mirror. Okay, let's take a look at the bathroom. You got your standard shower, toilet. Yeah, looks pretty good. It's Cuba, of course, so it's not going to be up to spec to Mexico or Dominican standards, but I like it. Air conditioning is very good. Yeah, highly recommend this place. The food is good so far. This is my first day. I'm going to start doing many videos on this place, but look here, folks. Look at my view. Look at my view. Give me a thumbs up right there. Okay, just a room update. A couple things is wrong with this room. This the opener, the door opener for the patio window, this is broken. I have to forcibly open it myself. Second, the pillows, they stink like water or soaking, I don't know, wet towel or something like that. Third, the fridge don't work, right? And then overall the room is very old. I think this whole resort is old. It needs updating. It's very rough around the edges. See here. The toilet's very old. It takes a lot of flushing to get it done. You can see like here, look at the tiles right here, right? This is a very old place. It works, but if you can live with this, you know, the defects, it'd be okay. But if you're a high-end roller like going to Mexico or Dominican, you wouldn't like this place. But I'm used to Cuba, so I'm used to this. It's good value, so yeah, I'll do more videos. So here is the grounds of the resort. These are the residents, the hotel, the rooms, these bungalows. The pool right there, the kids pool, main pool. Right there in the middle of your screen is the restaurants.